Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials so you don't chase ghosts. First, update Ldplayer to the newest build. This avoids known UI bugs. Next, make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS or UEFI. Without VTX or AMDV, performance and UI responsiveness fail. Once done, close competing emulators and apps that hog GPU or RAM, then clear Ldplayer cache and restart the PC. These steps eliminate common conflicts and prepare the environment for deeper fixes. Now you tackle configuration and corrupted components. Increase CPU cores and RAM gently. Too much can cause host instability. Aim for balanced allocation relative to your system. Then switch the graphics engine between OpenGL and DirectX, or use Smart Mode, because rendering mismatches often freeze the system UI. If the problem persists, run Ldplayer's repair tool or reinstall affected APKs to replace corrupted files. Make sure to reboot Ldplayer after each change so you can finish by addressing host-level causes and recovery options. Update your GPU drivers and Windows updates. Outdated drivers commonly break UI responsiveness. If updates don't help, reset the Ldplayer instance or create a fresh virtual device, since a new instance often clears hidden corruption. Finally, if the issue remains, collect emulator logs and perform a clean uninstall and reinstall of Ldplayer. Troubleshooting tip: if a clean reinstall doesn't fix it, test on another machine to determine whether the problem is host-specific or emulator-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.